If you were asked, what are the main challenges of running a contact center? Chances are you would think of time management, staffing, SLAs, KPIs, poor customer journey, low customer satisfaction, or IT issues. If your organization is struggling with one or more of these, we have good news for you. There is a good reason why cloud-based solutions have been trending for some time now. The last couple of years have proved that cloud solutions tend to solve most, if not all, contact center challenges of today. This solution has proven to be full-featured, scalable, and an affordable alternative to the on-premise legacy call center solutions of the past. At Nobel Biz, we wanted to capitalize on 20-plus years of experience and bring to the market a unique cloud contact center solution that simplifies agent workflows and provides a seamless customer experience across all channels, from anywhere in the world. Nobel Biz Omni Plus is an advanced, full-featured cloud contact center solution designed to adapt to our customers' complex requirements and ever-changing industry trends. Our solution features an impressive stack of options and features that can be easily integrated, customized, and optimized to adapt to any contact center use case. We've recently added new features such as omnichannel, simple API integrations, cross-channel campaign setup, work-from-home capabilities, and so on. Last but not least, we wanted Omni Plus to be a headache-free solution with 100% delegated IT troubleshooting, 99.9% uptime, and one of the most proactive customer support teams in the industry. Nobel Biz Omni Plus, the all-in-one solution for an agile, future-proof, and profitable contact center experience. Learn more today at www.nobelbiz.com.